Studies are clear. The more hygienic you are, the higher the perceived value women have on men, which is why most women seek men that are hygienic. If you want to smell great and always be clean, here are the 7 most important male hygiene tips you should know. 1. Upgrade your body wash with black tea. When most men hop in the shower, they'll just wash their upper body and let most of the soapy water run down to their feet and call it a day. But here's the deal. If you're not washing the most important parts, like your feet and your armpits, you might as well not even be showering at all. Because when you don't properly wash these areas, you're dragging all that bad bacteria into your bed, resulting in bad body odor and poor hygiene. Now, the cleanest men will wash these problem areas, their feet and their armpits, and scrub down with soap. I'm gonna show you how to take it an extra step with black tea. You see, as shown in a study, the tannic acids found in black tea are extremely effective at eliminating 99.999% of all odor-causing bacteria. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna grab 2 black tea bags and put them in boiling water for 15 minutes. Then you will take the bags out and take that concentrated tea-infused water and mix it into your existing body wash. Not only is this gonna eliminate all body odor-causing bacteria as you shower, but the antioxidants will also brighten your skin's complexion and remove any sort of leftover acne scars. Boys, this is just tip 1, and you're already improving your overall hygiene and your appearance. I have 6 more crucial hygiene tips that you as a man should know and you probably don't do. Number 2, don't spit when you brush your teeth. By changing this one tiny thing about how you brush your teeth, you can eliminate bad breath forever and even whiten your teeth. When you're done brushing, you can remove the excess toothpaste and then walk out the bathroom. I do not want you to rinse and spit out all the fluoride. When you rinse and spit when you're done brushing your teeth, you are getting rid of about 25% of the fluoride in that toothpaste. And any dentist will tell you, fluoride needs a certain amount of time for it to take effect. So if you want to remove bad breath and whiten your teeth, you must leave them on for a bit longer. And these are 2 goals you must pursue, as this will make you look more attractive. So after you're done brushing your teeth, get rid of that excess toothpaste, but do not rinse with water and spit everything out. Then you want to give it at least 30 to 45 minutes before you eat and drink anything. If you don't, then you're going to reduce your toothpaste effectiveness by almost 25%, which is why it's so hard for you to whiten your teeth and why you might always have bad breath. 3, take a bath with Epsom salt. Most experts will actually tell you taking a bath is detrimental for your hygiene, as most baths are filled with bacteria and can actually leave you dirtier than cleaner. So I'm gonna show you how to take a bath that's not only hygienic, but also relaxing. So here's how you're gonna do it. Grab 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt and add it into a warm bathtub. As demonstrated in multiple studies, Epsom salt has the ability to fight off multiple bacteria and fungal infection by disrupting the cells of that bacteria and causing it to burst. This means that this can help you prevent infections and even remove lingering odors. Now that your bath is ready, you can now immerse yourself into the bath and soak for about 10 to 20 minutes. Here's where it gets even better. For you dudes that like to work out like myself, Epsom salt is filled with magnesium, which can help your muscles relax and even improve sleep. Additionally, it's known for its anti-inflammatory effects and its ability to exfoliate the skin. So not only are you relaxing, you're bettering your appearance. Here's the best part. If you don't have Epsom salt, you can even use Himalayan salt using the same measurements and get the same treatment at home. 4, eliminate your natural body odor. Most men stink because you don't understand how your body works. But if you understand these 3 points I'm gonna show you, you can eliminate body odor forever. First, understand that your body has heat zones, which are simply places where heat builds up, like your armpits, your groin, or your feet. Now, the best way to reduce the heat in these areas is to just trim the body hair. When you have less hair, that means less heat gets trapped, which reduces the breeding ground for how much bacteria can be produced. Remember, the bacteria is what makes you stink. Now, hair is also crucial to remove friction, so the optimal length here is around 2 to 3 millimeters. So this is where I actually like to put a clip guard on my Manscaped trimmer. This does 2 things. Not only do you get the optimal length, but you also avoid nick or cutting yourself because you're adding that extra space between your skin and the blade. Second, it's something that you likely have never heard before, but you probably have. It's called dermatitis neglecta. It's when dark patches of dead skin build up on your body because you're not scrubbing correctly in those areas. And this can cause terrible odor. You want to test out if you have it? There's a simple test. Grab your finger, rub the back of your ear. If you see little black, almost like dust, that is collection of dead skin. Also, look at your knees and your elbows. If they are darker than the rest of your skin, you probably have it there as well. The fix is simple. You want to scrub the problem areas where you notice your skin is darker. This goes back to body trimming as well. Because I keep my hair tight on my body, it allows me to better exfoliate my skin and allow the soap to actually touch my skin. When you have a lot of body hair, the hair sometimes acts like a layer of protection, which makes it harder to fully clean yourself while you're in the shower. Now, the cool thing with the Manscaped trimmer is that when we designed this trimmer, we made it waterproof. So while you're showering, you can be trimming. That way you can keep up this hygienic process and make sure you eliminate body odor forever. And third, your good smelling products won't work if you have too much hair. I'll give you an example. Most people can't find a good deodorant that works. These products are made to block your sweat glands. The reason they don't work is because the product itself doesn't actually reach your skin. You have too much hair on your armpit to allow the product to reach the skin and then penetrate the sweat glands to block them off. This is why you end up sweating all day and never finding a deodorant that works for you and always have that bad BO. So once again, trimming your body hair can eliminate this body odor by allowing your smell good products like your fragrances and deodorants to actually touch the skin and become effective. Remember boys, looking and smelling good, it's not just to become attractive, but it's also to be perceived as a man of high genetic value. Women look for hygienic men. And one of the easiest things all men should pursue is to learn how to manscape their body properly to not only elevate their hygiene, but also look amazing. If you guys want to check out a great manscaping trimmer, because you shouldn't be using the same trimmer you use on your face, you should have a separate trimmer for your body, look no further. Manscaped's the way to go because our new 5.0 trimmer actually is a 2-in-1. It comes with 2 blades to give you ultimate results and be able to tackle your body completely. If you guys want to check us out, I'm going to give you a package at a heavy discount plus free shipping for a limited time. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. 5. Wash your clothes with vinegar. If you want to smell as good as possible, start adding vinegar to your laundry loads. Vinegar is acidic, which means it can break down the bacteria that causes the bad odor in your clothes. In fact, one study found that vinegar was effective at removing 99.999% of all odor-causing bacteria. So how do you use it? Easy. Grab your clothing, especially if you know you sweat a lot and it tends to smell bad, turn it inside out. Put it into your washing machine into the soaking setting and add 2 cups of vinegar. After soaking for about an hour, you can then start your washing machine like you normally would with your detergent and then add another cup of vinegar as it starts the process. When you're done, you're gonna have clothes that's completely neutralized of all bacteria and smells fresh. Now, at this point, you're using black tea infused body wash to kill odor-causing bacteria in all your body. You've changed how you brush your teeth to make them whiter and eliminate bad breath. You've learned how to manscape properly. You're taking baths with Epsom salt, and you've eliminated all odor-causing bacteria on your clothes with vinegar. These hygiene tricks will take you to the next level, and most men never do them. And I still have 2 more to go. Number 6, replace your mouthwash with olive oil. Most think that just brushing your teeth is enough to prevent bad breath from happening. It's not. Instead, you're going to want to use something called oil pulling to eliminate bad breath forever while simultaneously increasing the health of your gums and teeth. Here's how you can do it yourself with what you already have in your kitchen. First, get an edible oil. This could be sesame oil, coconut oil, or olive oil. And look, this is not just a trend that your grandma told you. This was proven by science. In a recent study from 2019, they grabbed 75 kids and had them rinse their mouth with sesame oil. They had them do this every single day for 15 days. By the end of the study, researchers found that sesame oil was extremely effective at reducing the levels of bacteria that cause bad breath. So I want you to try this yourself. Go to your kitchen, grab 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then put it in your mouth and start swishing it around like mouthwash between 15 and 20 minutes. Make sure you put a timer on your phone. You can go on social media, go watch some Netflix, do whatever you have to do. After, I want you to spit it out and you can rinse your mouth with water. Do this every day after dinner and notice the difference that will occur in your mouth after just 15 days. Number 7, eliminate the bacteria in your bed with tea. Look, your bed has millions of bacteria living on it, which makes it unhygienic and causes you to smell musty every morning. This is why they recommend you should change your bed sheets at least once a week. But let's be real, Most of you will never do that. So here's how you neutralize that bacteria with the simple at-home spray. First, mix 1 cup of distilled water with 1 cup of white vinegar. Then, you will add a few drops of tea tree oil. I've already shown you that vinegar is a natural disinfectant that cuts through all sorts of oil and bacteria. But tea tree oil is a powerhouse against bacteria and can even tackle fungi that vinegar can't get. So, once you've mixed it all, shake it up in a spray bottle. Then, every morning when you wake up, grab the spray bottle and just lightly mist your entire bed. Don't soak, just lightly mist, and allow it to air dry through the day. So when you come home at night and you get ready to go back to bed, your bed has now been disinfected and your sheets will smell fresh. And that, along with everything else on this list, will make you more hygienic, make you smell good, and make you look great. If you guys want to continue to level up, I'll leave you a video right here. See you boys next time.